Hello, welcome. We will be writing a program where the user gives an input as seconds and the output is given as minutes and seconds. So, first thing that I will be going ahead is I will be taking the input of minutes from the or in seconds from the user. So, I will write IPSec, that is input seconds, is equal to int input enter the seconds. Okay, so I'm telling it to enter the seconds. And then after that, what I'll do, I will say what is my min. Mins is equal to the integer division. If I divide the seconds with 60, and what will be my seconds value, which will be equal to the remainder what I will have. Okay, so what will be my output? I will say print IPSec seconds is equal to comma equal to comma min comma min, and then I'll provide a space and then I will write comma sec seconds, right? So let me executing it. So 132 seconds, and it is giving me as 2 minutes 12 seconds. This is the output I'm getting, 2 minutes 12 seconds. So this is the program. All right.